Hi, it's Martha Mick's Maker Minute. Today I'm going to be making some woven paper cards. These are some that I've made. Everybody needs a greeting card now and then, and this is a technique that you can use to create a very unique card with recycled things. This old Japanese woodblock calendar, I couldn't bear to throw it away, so I'm going to make something out of it. This weaving is a lot of fun. It's very relaxing. I like to work with thicker pieces of paper, cardstock, better than thin stuff, although you can do it, but it is not as relaxing. So it's a simple weaving over, under technique, and I usually end up using 7, 8, 9, 10 strips in each direction to make this weaving. Now, don't glue it. It will be substantial, but you also want to be able to change it if you don't like it. And that's what I have done here. And please watch part 2 for embellishments and the card itself. Thank you. Hi, this is Martha Mick's Maker Minute. I'm back with part 2 of woven paper cards. I am going to create my own color paper here with some paint on plain cardstock. I didn't have the colors I wanted, can't go to the store, so I'm making this dark color that I'm going to, bling, that I'm going to cut up into strips and weave with the strips of Japanese woodblock that I did in the last video. I tried it with white. I don't like it. I'm taking it out. And I'm weaving with the dark strips now. I like this. I think this is going to look good. And we've got a winner here. Okay. But you know what? It does need a little embellishment, and it does need a card. So I'm going to put our weaving on the card and going to add something else. What should I put there? I love red. So we're going to make a little sailboat, just a suggestion of one, sailing on this big ocean of paper. I'm going to put some gold on the edges of the sails because they will pop out that way. And now we are done. We have a nice card here. Please, I'm going to show you some more embellishments in the next video. Thank you. Hi, Martha Mick back with Maker Minute. We're going to make a little rose today for decorating our cards and envelopes. I showed you this last time. I make my own color papers. They're unique. They take time, but they're worth it. I have a collection of them. When I'm starting a project, I get my papers and I cut out a strip. It only takes a little bit of paper. I folded this in 5 because I'm going to make 5 petals for my rose. I'm going to make 5 sepals also, those long green things. I think that's what they're called. And 5 other little doodads and some centerpieces. Before I assemble them, I'm going to edge each little piece with black Sharpie. Helps them to pop out against one another, hides that white raw paper edge. Now I'm ready to assemble. I need a backing piece. So I just use a piece of card, glue, put my petals on there, and now I'm going to make the centerpiece. It's both decorative and functional. And you see the rose is starting to come together. I have attached the sepals to the back. This is pretty sturdy. I can use it to decorate cards and envelopes. And you can decorate this with Sharpies also. Here's a card I made for Memorial Day with a different rose, different paper. Here's a 3-fold symmetry flower. Here's a sunflower. Please get your paper and scissors and glue out and try this. Hi, it's Martha Mick, back with part 4 of woven paper cards. So now you've made these cards, you've used the paper weaving technique, you've made some embellishments, you have some nice cards. You need to send them, but you don't have envelopes because they are odd sizes. So making your own envelope is one of the simplest techniques that you can do. It's not rocket science, it's very simple. Just watch me do this. Fold paper around your card. This folding is now the guideline for where you're going to cut to create an envelope without any excess paper. So now I do this by eye with just my scissors, but a couple of times when you first start, you want to draw where to cut. So you saw what I did. Now cut all this excess off. Just be careful in the corners there that you don't cut too much away because you will have some gaps if you're not careful. Cut away the excess paper, and now we're ready to assemble our envelope. Put the card in the middle and get that glue stick out. These are simple techniques, simple tools. Please try this. Make cards. Do this with your kids, with your grandkids. with your friends when you can get back together again. And please, thank you so much for watching. There'll be more videos coming. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course our website. And hope to see you soon at the Patchogue-Medford Library. Thank you.